Hello. Yes, everyone. So, looking at this video, hi, I'm CA Pragnesh Kanabar, and we are recording this superb interview session with Shobhiha Shri. I should call her CA Shobhiha Shri. And the main intention of recording this session is she scored 27 in audit in May 24. And from there, she has moved to Shobhiha. Say it with your own voice. You have moved to how many marks now?
73 marks in audit, sir.
73 marks. Thank you, Shobhia. Salute, salute, salute. All right,
Thank you.
full respect
Thank
to
you so
you.
much, sir.
Full respect to you. So I think such kind of comeback story I had seen only from Hardik Pandya from Indian cricket team, who went very low and then came with a World Cup. And I think you are much above that also with your comeback story. Everyone is taking interview of rankers. Everyone is taking interview of toppers. I respect the rankers. I respect the toppers. They have also done a lot of hard work. But students like Shobhiha can prove it to the world that one negative result is not the end of it. You can actually push yourself and break your barriers. Don't think about just 40. Don't think about just 50. Don't think about just 60. You can think about 70, even though you just scored, 27 in May 24. Shobhiha, this is superb. Salute to you. Salute to you, beta.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
So
sir.
Shobhiya is from South India, Tamil Nadu, near town named Trichy,
Tiruchi.
right?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful small town. So that is why the video will be in 100% English. Okay. If I knew Tamil, we would have done it in Tamil also.
Yes, sir.
I keep visiting Chennai, but so Shobhiha,
Yes,
can you
sir.
just explain your journey that this was your second attempt, third attempt? What was it?
No, so first group, this is my third attempt.
Oh,
Third, I think, yes, third or fourth attempt. Actually,
oh,
past three attempts itself, I scored only 27, 26,
oh, I was not
25,
aware about
like
this.
that
I just thought
only.
it is past attempt. Oh,
Yes, sir. After only last time I failed because of audit only. So before that exams, I every time I cleared other subjects, but audit only I can't able to clear it. So that's I found your classes last attempt, but before exams, so I couldn't able to attend that as exams are quite near. So then I thought this last attempt I scored exemption 71 in AFM. So
in
I
May
think
21, you found my classes, but it was very near to exam, so you could not do
yes,
it. Correct,
yes,
correct,
yes,
correct.
sir, yes, sir. So at that time, I scored exemption in AFM.
Hmm.
So balance 40 marks is required for audit and AFR. But
Okay,
at that time, 40 itself is a very big matter for me
okay.
because 27 marks, yeah, actually my marks is 23, 4 marks grace marks.
May
So what
24,
I
4 marks grace marks. Correct,
yes,
correct, correct.
yes. So I fed up like anything because I studied so hard, but even though it couldn't touch 30, it's a little very
Many
hard
students are
for
failing
me.
because of audit. Yeah,
So
your
then,
video will act
yeah,
like a
then I
booster for
prefer
them.
your classes. Yes, sir. Then I opt for fast track classes.
Okay.
Then I started prepare along with your class. If you study essay basics means I studied along with that class essay basics.
Good.
So I
So
just
Shobhya,
studied
Shobhya,
with
wait,
the
we will
flow
slow
of
down
the
over. We will
classes.
slow down over here. Many students want to know this. So after taking the lectures, how did you prepare? What was the
Yes.
schedule? Along with the lecture, self-study.
Yes, sir. First, initially, I studied along with the classes. So as and when time passes, I fear that I couldn't, if I couldn't complete the classes, means I couldn't start studying. So we'll complete the class first, then start preparing.
Okay.
I thought like that.
Okay.
So what I did was first, initially, I completed the standards along with classes. Then on essays, I just complete the class and I haven't studied. Then I started my preparation. So what I started from essay basics only. I just go with the flow. Last time what I did was didn't study in the manner because if we take SQC1 or essay 220, what I study means I studied in a
Very summarized,
I will not
unorganized manner.
study in a flow. Yes, sir.
Correct,
If
correct.
we take first like you that your mnemonics are helped me a
Correct,
lot
correct, correct, correct.
in the chapters like that I study.
Correct.
Then first prepare no essay basics. I start with essay basics. After completing the classes,
Okay.
I start with essay basics
Okay.
because to create a strong base.
Okay.
Then I started with 210, 505, 580 like that.
That
What
sequence,
classes
that
teachers
study
I
planner sequence which I had given, or the lectures which we had
yeah,
spoken
yeah,
about.
yes,
Correct,
sir,
correct.
yes, sir. I
Okay.
studied in that manner.
So
Then
now I want to
one.
stop you over here. Studied means how you have studied from the material which we had, our material and the question
Yes,
bank, or you tried something
which you
extra?
have provided. Though no, that only, and I use that material, sir.
Okay. And what
I
was
use,
the technique of studying? Because many students want to know that. Like if you're
ye-
studying, okay, so this is the paragraph and sorry, this is the material. So our fast track material is in chart form. So this
yes,
is your
yes,
material, this is your question bank. Now you used to by heart everything because these are the questions which I've received on the Google form. So
yes,
you used
yes,
to
sir.
by heart everything, or you just used to conceptually study it, or you used to write and study. How you are studying?
Yeah. So first thing, last time I did on mistake because I didn't even either understand the concepts, but I just blindly the understanding the concepts is different from understanding the lines. So
Correct.
what I means is
Very good.
if we study the liner that we will understood, but concept we will not understood. While attending the classes only, I found out that mistakes.
Okay.
So what I did was I never mug it up. If we conceptually understand, no need to mug the audit subject.
Got it.
It will just to remember the keywords and just to maintain the language used by the ICI. You no need to memorize each and every line. If you conceptually understand and noting the key points, we can able to write the answers. Writing practice and also is must. While studying, you
Superb,
can write the key
superb.
points.
Very good. Please tell them these people are not doing writing practice. So how you used to do
Yes,
the
sir.
writing practice?
While studying itself, you can note it down the key points. So you key points. Otherwise, again it again. So if we know already we have studied. Then how much time we have to invest in this? But still, we have to give because I targeted for 50 marks actually. So I completely changed my strategy after watching your classes.
Superb, superb, superb. And madam, moving ahead, now we go to when you're coming to non-SS syllabus. So non-SS syllabus, how you had studied. So first you watch the
Non-essays,
lectures
I
and then you study.
completely stick to your books only, sir, because
Okay.
you've given in a small sequence only, a
Correct,
small,
correct.
small, small part you have given in your book. So I studied in that only, sir.
Okay. And let us say that if you are studying, many students they have left bank audit, NBFC, few topics in option. Did you leave any topic in option? Be very honest in this.
Yes, so actually, fortunately, this time haven't asked any questions from bank audit. So I skip a bank audit
But NBFC you
and
had studied.
yes, sir, I skipped bank audit and due diligence chapter. But we should
Don't
not
get
do that.
motivated, everyone, with this. I'm being very
Yes,
honest over
sir,
here.
we should not do that because what I think was while studying, even for 100% study, 90% with 90% mark is enough for I am target. Like that, I thought of. So fully complete that, and because I did that mistake, even though we complete 100% portion, but
Correct,
we write only for 40 marks. Even the 40 marks itself can't we are not correctly written.
correct.
So what I thought was, if you study for 90%, you have to write for
90%
90%.
of
So
90%, correct.
each if we take one chapter, no, nook and corner of the book, we have to know the concepts. From where ICA can pick the question, we have to write.
Correct.
So I thought of preparing.
So when you say bank audit, you left in option. So was it
So,
when you say bank audit, you left in option? Was it the entire
yes, sir.
topic along with NPA notes, everything, or you studied few things from that?
No, NPA notes I have taken, sir, the sale of
Superb,
NPA.
superb. Correct,
So
correct, correct, correct.
for
So that is
MCQ
why she
purpose,
was
I have
secure
just
because
to
NPA
read it.
questions
I
she could
could,
answer. Correct.
yes, I have completely ignored just for MCQ purpose. You can just read out
Correct.
because it will come in MCQ. So I just read that portion, sir.
Okay, okay. And madam, any writing practice with in the form of test series or mock test paper, did you go through that?
What I first did was first I analyzed my papers with toppers papers. Then
Correct,
I
correct.
found out I am lack of concepts. And if we see the toppers paper, they will not written. They will written in a short and crisp manner,
Short
in a
form and to
point
the
wise
point.
manner.
Correct.
Yes, they will not blabber something extra writing. No, short and crisp answers I expected by the ICA. I found it in all the papers. So they scored a 4 out of 4. So what I did was, while preparing itself, short and crisp, I studied, sir. Then underlining the keywords is most preferred, sir. While in exams, I am telling in exams,
Okay.
in exams for 2 or 3, 4 questions, I have underlined the
Good, good.
keywords.
So whatever you're confident that you know that this is
Yeah,
100% tally,
yeah. For
it is better to
example,
underline
in
and highlight it and show it to the
SQC1,
examiner.
yes, sir. SQC1 SA 220, a monitoring question has asked last time.
Correct, correct.
So I remember you
Superb.
told the word Rio. Rio is very
Rio, correct,
important.
correct, correct, correct.
So relevant, adequate, operate. So what
Oh,
I did
superb,
was
superb,
I write.
superb, superb.
So I underlined that word in the exam. So that is the keyword. So we have to underline. I underlined that word in the exam. That is the thing I think I have changed from
Okay. And madam,
last time.
did you go through any test, unit test or prelims or something like that?
Yes, so I just I haven't written, but I just uh, see the whether I know the answer or not.
So I
I
was
can
also
able to
uploading some
write.
test. You were seeing my test.
Yes, I wrote, but mock exam I have written, sir,
Mock
mock
exams you had
exam.
written, no?
Yeah,
Madam, you will not
because
believe I'm interacting with so
yeah,
many students who are not clearing, and
yes, sir, because
90% of these
while we
students are
are
not writing
studying.
test only.
Yeah, yes, sir. Because while studying, we can study a good, we can able to revise. But while writing, we can get stuck. That's the thing I noticed while writing. Even though we know the points, but in the exam, due to tension, due
Ah,
time
you just
constraint,
go
we can't
blank.
able to. Yeah, it will go blank. We can't able to write. So the writing practice is must. If we write 2 or 3 times, then in exams, or we can that flow, we can maintain that flow.
But madam, let me tell you, you have given me the biggest gift of my life because,
Yes, sir.
your interview will motivate so many students. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or admissions and stuff, it is fine, but, non-monetarily, you will get so many blessings for the students. So anything specific, because when you are interacting with people around you also who may not have cleared, okay, anything
Yes, sir.
specific that you would like to say for audit, or this, whatever you have said is enough to, get through?
We have to daily revise cumulatively, sir.
Revise
One day,
cumulatively.
yes, if you study a if you study the audit on regular basis, then do cumulative revision. If you study one chapter, then we move on to second chapter, then to third chapter. Now we will forget the first chapter. Then
Correct,
we
correct.
started from new. So while studying while moving for second chapter, revise the first chapter.
Super, very good tip,
Just
very good.
a revision will not take 1 or 2 hours. Just see the points again and again. So it will store in our mind,
Madam,
subconscious
many,
mind. It will.
many, many students are working office, and many students are married, and many married women are, going for chartered accountancy. They are struggling a lot, and most of them are saying that we want to quit, we want to quit, we want to quit. So even you have been through failures, and even you converted it. So
I
anything
didn't
that you can
even
tell it
think
to them,
quit.
that why they should not quit. Did you have the feeling
Uh,
of quitting chartered accountancy?
yes, sir. I till now I haven't think quit. Don't quit. Quit of CA because so much struggle we have facing till now.
Yes.
But the struggle will definitely, all our hard work will be paid once, paid well off. So
And
everyone is
once you
deserving.
and once you see that you have cleared that successful, when the moment you saw successful, I
I
think the feeling
cried.
would have been different, right?
I cried. My parents also cried. So because it takes long because of only audit. That's the main
Correct.
thing. That subject I scored high among all other subjects.
In group one, highest you have in audit.
In group one, no, group two itself, highest of among all the
Please share me
subjects.
your group two mark sheet also then. I
Yes,
mean,
sir.
this is awesome. Shobia, you have no idea how many blessings you're going to get. And I would request that I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. So
Yes, sir.
in the comment section, guys, you can put the doubts to Shobia, and I will request Shobia to reply to those doubts. And so
Yes,
that
sir.
this comment section becomes a guide for you, that once you have not cleared audit on 2, 3 attempts and then to go to 73, she has done that journey, even you can do that journey. And CA Shobia, we are going to see lots and lots of you in future. But I would request you to join our team for mentoring and stuff, Shobia.
Yes, sir. Sure,
The
sir.
kind of, let
With
me tell you, the
pleasure.
kind of speech that you have, the kind of, clarity that you have in your mind. This can really help so many students to actually conquer the fear.
Actually, I have to thank you so much, because in professional ethics, I don't know these many concepts are in professional ethics, because just reading the clause and writing the schedule itself, we can get four out of 1, I thought, but it's completely wrong. We
Correct.
have to give the clause, we have to give the
Laws,
ethical
ethics,
points.
and facts of the
Yes,
case,
I
conclusion.
followed all your guidance. Seriously, sir, all your
I'm very, very, very,
me
very, very happy,
70
happy,
to score
Shobhita, that you
73.
have cleared. I mean, I would not like to say this on record, but I have seen so many mentally disturbed students, in November 24 results. You can see these dark circles. I've applied filters, still there is a dark circle over here. So I'm trying to interact with people and I'm trying to resolve their issues. But I think your one interview will be an answer to everyone, all right, and it will
Yes, sir.
motivate
And
everyone.
your question bank is seriously,
Good, na?
I seriously awesome.
My,
So
my, my
because why
content is
I'm
not
telling
very
you,
glamorous, but
see,
it is useful, right? I don't know how
yeah,
to format everything.
sir, no, sir, it's coloring. It's not a matter, sir, because content is matters.
Correct.
What means if we read only the questions, then our mind try to answer. If we give an answer under the question, now, then our mind will not try to
Correct.
answer. We will definitely see the
So that
answers.
our technique of
So
leaving
in
the
it,
question and the answer blank and then writing and then answers are given
yeah,
at the end. So that really helps, to recollect.
yes, sir. It will help you in the exam. Why I am
Uh,
telling? Because exam only questions will be given. You don't have
if
the
question
answer.
answer
We have
everything
to
is
write the
ready-made and if
answer.
you're studying from that, then there is an issue.
Sir?
If question and answer everything is ready-made and you are straight away studying from that, then there is
Yes,
an
sir.
issue.
Yes, sir. If I have only questions now, our mind is able to recall the answer.
Hmm.
So that is, I think, that helped me in exams.
But Shobhita,
Because
please
if we
try to
read
answer
question
the
and answer,
comments. Please try to answer the comments of the students on this video.
yes,
And
sir.
I will ask everyone to put their queries on the comment box, and you please keep on replying to them in the YouTube. All right,
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
they will feel better.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir.
And if you have some notes or something that you have prepared, please share the PDFs with me so that I can share it with them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Surely, sir.
I'm so happy for you, Shobhia. Congratulations to
And then
the
your
entire
flow
family.
charts and that mnemonics helped me a lot, because in 505 that I still remember that inquiry. Yes, sir. Because previous attempt, what I did, what I just memorize. I nothing did. Just we
No,
have
that's
to
okay. That's
study,
okay.
because we can't able to memorize this much. But you link the essays with the SRSs helped me a lot to study this much, because in SRS, SAE and SR only 16 marks will come from that portion only.
Yeah, correct.
Yes.
Also, at least 12, 14 marks impact we are seeing in that SA 800 series, SRE, SE,
Yes, sir. I made analysis also. If you
Correct,
study
correct.
for SQC SA 220, it will come
SRE,
around 10
SA,
marks.
SRS, and that SA 800 series.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
SQC1 and SA 220 for 10 marks, and SRS, SAE, that sequence will come for around
Correct.
800 series, around 15 marks. Then professional ethics around 20 marks. So, yeah, a reporting section will come for around 5 to 10
10 marks.
marks.
Yeah, yeah.
Caro will come for 5 marks.
Super,
So,
super.
all these calculation I
Madam, all of
studied.
this, please put in the comment section of YouTube. It will help them a lot.
Yes. Yes, sir. So all these I made my own blueprint.
Yeah,
So
super.
I
Please share
made,
those PDFs with us. We will surely share. And I would officially want you to become a mentor for audit subject in our the Audit Academy, and we'll be very happy
yes,
for
sir.
that. Yeah.
Yes, sir. With pleasure, sir.
Thank you so much, Shovia. So,
Yes, sir.
on this very positive note, we will, I don't feel like ending the session, but we will end the session on this very, very positive note. Thank you for motivating so many students, Shobia, and congratulations to your entire family, for
Yes, sir.
standing
Thank you.
with you and you clearing the chartered accountancy. I really hope to see you in coaching, mentoring field. Along with that, you
Yes,
can
sir.
go into corporate sector and CA sector also. All right, but please don't
Thank
leave
you.
coaching mentoring field. You are a product time and you are a proper product made for that.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.